Alright guys, I'm trying to make empanada, my own version. So, ito yung niluto ko kanina. Pinalamig ko muna kasi nga mainit ang loob ng empanada. At ito na yung nagawa ko. And I use pie crust for my dough. So, hindi na ako nagawa ng dough, but tingnan natin kung what is the result. So, at para sa i-brush ko sa sa ibabaw, guys, I will use 1 egg and milk. So, it will make, I guess, shiny and crispy. So, we'll see. Ito guys, ganyan ginawa ko. Tapos, i-press ko lang. Ayan guys, ito na siya. At dito ko ilalagay yung inside ng tawag nito. Empanada. So, maglagay lang ako ng mga 1 spoon. Then, I will put it, cover ko, ganon. Tapos, ipagdikit-dikit ko na lang sila. Alright, ito na po ang empanada ko. For the first time. Tignan natin. Okay naman siya lahat. Mukha namang masarap. So, let's see. Oh, wow. Looks good. Try, Crystal, anak. See if it's really good. Okay, looks good to me. Be careful, it's very, very hot.
Alright.
Be careful, it's very hot because it came from the oven.
It tastes good. Yum, yum, yum.
It is really good, guys.
Yum, yum, yum.
Do you like it?
Yes.
I like it.
Yes.
It's good, right?
Yes.
Hot. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.